All right, so now let's talk about rational exponents. That means when you have fractions in your exponents. From Algebra 1, hopefully you remember some of the the exponent rules. When you have two things with the same base, here's our base, it's x, and it's the same for both of these exponents, you can actually add the exponents together. This is how when you do x times x, you get x squared, because you add 1 plus 1 and get 2. Well, in this case, we're going to add 4/7 and 1/3. Now, you'll notice 4/7 and 1/3 do not have the same denominator, so we can't just combine straight across here. That's not how we add fractions. We have to make them have the same denominator. Well, 7 and 3 have a 21 in common, so I'm going to multiply this side by 3. I'm going to multiply this side by 7. And we're going to get 12 over 21 plus 7 over 21. Now, because they have the same denominator, I can add them together, and I can get 19 over 21. So really, this expression here is x to the 19 over 21. Obviously, if 19 and 21 had a number in common, we would simplify that fraction, but 19 over 21 cannot be simplified, so it's going to remain as is. Now, the difference between this and this is you've got an exponent outside of a parenthesis. So you're taking this 2/3 and you're raising it to the 1/2 power. What do we do here is we multiply our exponents. So we're going to take 2/3 and we're going to multiply it by 1/2. Now, when we multiply fractions, we don't care about denominators. We just multiply straight across. We do 2 times 1, which is 2, and we do 3 times 2, which is 6. Now, we can simplify 2 over 6. Right? They both have a 2 in common, so really this is the same thing as 1/3. So this expression here is x to the 1/3 power. Well, if you're going to divide two things with the same base, both of these are x, you're going to subtract the exponents. Notice when we multiply, we add. When we divide, we subtract. So we're going to do 16 minus 12, which is 4. So really, the inside part of this is going to be x to the 4th power, and that is being raised to the 3/4 power. Now, we just talked about what to do when something's outside of a parenthesis. We multiply our exponents. And so we're going to do 4 times 3/4. Well, you'll notice here that the 4's can cancel out and you're left with just a 3. So this reduces down to x to the 3rd power.